Yes, friends. Now in this video, we will conditional formatting. Why conditional formatting? Because we will go for the next session. Before going the next session, we have to do with the pivot table and the pivot chart. Before I'm going from the pivot chart, conditional formatting, some basic parameter is now clear for that. So we have to clear about the conditional formatting with this basic chart. So we have to use the conditional formatting charts, but go for the pivot table, pivot chart. On the first, we will go for the conditional formatting in that chart. Now we have to clear idea about this one. So go for the desktop file and any basics file. You can use this file on the using of conditional formatting. That is roll number, name, subject 1, subject 2. That is completely okay for us. We can show the conditional formatting with charting also. I can share my screen. Now you can share my screen. You can see here, this is if the any small data, then I can put out this data, and on the basis of this one I can use the small functionality. So we have to do this functionality on the basis of the particular conditional formatting. We can use this functionality. For example, I am using roll number, then name, then subject 1, then the subject 2, then the subject 3. Here it's a roll number 1, 2, 3. If I am putting this value 1, 2, 3 on the basis of this 10 values, then the name, if I am putting the name is this one value. If I am doing the subject 1, here is a subject 1 value is for example subject 1 I'm putting here 50, 100, for example 100, then 60, then 17, 19, 65, 54, then go for 69, then again we will go for the next value is 96, 99, for example this one value, which one I have put out this value. Now we want to conditional formatting on the basis of this one. So now we have to clear idea about this value. For example, I will put out the value here, this value plus 10, and I will drop this value. If this is 100, this one value plus 100 value. For example, I'm putting this value. Now I will do this value with conditional formatting and data bar value, color sets, icon sets. We can use this formatting. For example, data bar. This is called as a data bar. Bar wise. This is called as a bar wise display. Here is a subject 2. Then you can show here the conditional formatting, highlight the cell rules, data bar, and this is your data bar. This is one type of chart formatting, but using of conditional formatting, this is pivot chart. Yes, pivot chart, there is very different functionality. But in the conditional formatting also pivot chart, some functionality, pivot chart functionality is available here. So this is pivot chart option functionality is available from your side. Now, if you want to put the conditional formatting in a color set, this is a color bar set. If you want to use this, but yes, how it is used is working. Yes, You have to show 100 value, 200, 900 and 1000 values. Manage rules, you can show this edit rules. You can lower value, higher value, two colors if it is three colors scale. For example, three color scale, that is this one is a three color scale, and apply this one, and okay, this is three colors scale value. It's applicable. Here is a, you can see here different colors, and last one is a different scale. But if I'm not using here the, if clear rules from selected cells, for example, and if I'm putting the conditional formatting and go for the data bar, color bar sets, you want to use this color bar, and you can put out your own rules also. You can put it the old rules, own rules also. Manage the rules, and you have to put out this value. On the basis of this value, we will go for the three color scales, three color cell. This is percentage value. You can convert into the number, percentage formula also. For example, if I'm using the percentile value, for example, now I am putting the different color is a red color. So now this is applicable from your side. Low, dark, low, medium, dark and dark value is coming from your side. This is called as a colors bar value. So make sure that color bar value is coming from your side. So it is called as a color set value. Now, if you want to use the icon set, if I am clearing this rules, if this is icon set, I can use this icon. Down value, up value, medium down value, medium values, and how it is managed the rules. If I'm using the icon set, this is percentage value. If the value is greater than or equal to 67 or greater than, then it is a green value. If it is 67 to 33, this is a yellow value. If it is less than 33, this is called red arrow key. So red, yellow and green arrow key, this is come from your side. So make sure that this all arrow key on the all the value is coming from your side. This is applicable value, and okay. Now you can see this subject 3, all the value is coming from your side. Red, yellow, green, this value is coming from your side. So make sure that all the value is come from your side is a very useful from your side. Here you can see the data is not show, only showing which value, only showing the arrow key. So if you are not to show your data to any one place, at that time you must be used for this value. This is called as conditional formatting. If I am putting this value here, conditional formatting, manage the rules and data bar. I'm not going from the, this is a fill item sets value. If I'm using first is the clear all this value. Clear all this value. Now, uses of this value on the basis, we have to data bar. On the basis of data bar, we go for the manage rules. In this rules we will add it, this rules, this is automatically added. Now if we will not go for the data but we will delete this rules, we can create our own rules on color scale bar. Clear rules on selected cells, and we will use the color scale bar. This is called a color scale bar, and now we will manage the rules. We will go for the color scale rules. If we will use the three color values, then this is the lowest value, then percentage values, then highest value. Now we will use the number value. If any number is greater than 400 and highest value. Now you can see the color combination also. This is called as a color and combinations value. You can see here color combinations value. number value, color value, and combinations value. Now you can see here the color combinations value. If it is clear rules in selected cells, then the value is clearing from your side. You cannot see the particular value on the basis of clear value. Icon chart. This is a different icon. You can see here different icon. So this is a one type of data with a chart. You can use the data with the chart with using of this one value, right? Now top bottom value, top 10 items. If I am putting a color combination of top 5 items, you can see here top 5 items. This is very attractive from your side. This is top 5 items. If I'm using bottom 10 values, bottom 3 values, when we are using both the rules and same place, we have to first clear the rules. So we have to clear idea about this one. If I'm using this 5 values, 4 values, and bottom 10 values, this is bottom 10 value you can highlight. Yes, definitely you can highlight with a different color also. Color and apply this value. Now we have to clear rules first. Conditional formatting, top 10 percentage value, top 10 percentage. Then we will use top 11 not. We will go for the top 5, top 3, all this value. Below average, average, bottom 10 value, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 percentage, above average value. Average to above value. This is called as above average value. Below average. This is all are the below. 500 value, all other value is below average. 500 plus value. This is above average. You can, yes, you can change the color format also here. Here you can see the more rules also. Duplicate value, unique value, determine to be cell format. Only cells that contain between the particular value to between the particular value, 45 value to 500 value. So it will be highlight. We cannot highlight, we can give it underline also, double underline, and okay, and okay, yeah. So which one value is highlighted? This is called as a double line, double underline value, because you can see the double underline value also. So any data between double underline value, it will be, you can see here double underline value also, and you can see here the both the places double underline value and the single underline value, both the places you have to use this command. Clear rules on selected cell also, so it will be clear. So now in the next, if I'm using highlight the cell rules, duplicate value text that contain between. If you are using the any cells between, in the between you have put out the date also. Between this date to this date we want to find out the data, so we will use this data. So at that moment you can use this value. So make sure that if you are using between parameter, you can use this parameter also on the date parameter also. So you have to place on the both the parameter, not only one parameter. First is a number parameter. Between operator, it will be not used in a text parameter. It will be used in a number parameter also. So you can use this parameter in number also. So you have to put out the both the value on the basis of number parameter also, and if using the between parameter, it will be date parameter. Okay friends, we will discuss on the both the way. Now you have to clear idea about this one, conditional formatting. So we have to clear this. Thank you friends.